In this video, we'll show you what to do if the Wi-Fi is not working on your iPhone, but it does work on your other devices. So to fix this, first you need to open the settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, tap on the info icon next to the problematic Wi-Fi connection, and then disconnect from this network. Next, you need to restart your iPhone and then connect to the network again. If it's just a temporary glitch, this should help fix it. However, if that doesn't work, go to the general settings on your iPhone. Now in here, scroll down and then tap on date and time. Now here, make sure that the set automatically toggle is enabled. If your iPhone is not set to the correct date or time, you may experience problems while using the internet. Now go back to the previous menu, scroll down and then tap on VPN and device management. Now make sure your iPhone is not connected to any VPN network. If it's connected, make sure to disable it from here. Now go back to the previous settings menu. Now scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset and then finally select reset network settings. This should reset all the network settings on your iPhone and hopefully get the Wi-Fi to work again. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.